Get ready for the dictation. On the count of 3, 2, 1, start. This is a petition under Section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure for quashing the criminal complaint filed by the respondent against the petitioner under Section 24 and 27 of Securities and Exchange Board of India Act 1992. The petitioner was a director in Miss Fair Deal Forest Limited till 30th March 1997 when she resigned from the directorship and also submitted Form 32 with Registrar of Companies. In order to regulate entities which used to issue instruments such as agro bonds, plantation bonds, etc., Government of India decided to treat such schemes as collective investment schemes and brought them under the purview of SEBI Act 1992 with the object of protecting the investors and promoting legitimate investment activities. Securities and Exchange Board of India Regulations 1999 were thereafter framed by SEBI, while its letter dated December 15, 1999 and also by way of public notice, SEBI directed Miss Fair Deal Forest Limited, which was operating collective investment schemes and had raised a sum of rupees 5,20,000 from the general public to send an information memorandum to all the investors detailing the state of affairs of the schemes, the amount repayable to each investor and the manner in which such amount was determined. The information was required to be sent latest by March 31, 2000. In terms of Regulation 73 of the above referred regulations, the collective investment schemes which failed to apply for registration with SEBI were required to wind up the existing schemes and repay the amount collected from the investors. Regulation 74 required the company to formulate a scheme of repayment and make repayment to the investors in case it was not desirous of obtaining provisional registration with SEBI. Miss Fair Deals Forest Limited, however, neither applied for registration with SEBI nor did it take steps for winding up the scheme and making repayment to the investors, and thereby violated the provisions of Section 12 of SEBI Act 1992 and Regulation 5. Thereupon, in exercise of powers conferred upon it, SEBI directed the company to refund the money collected from the persons who had invested money in its collective investment schemes within a period of 1 month from the date of the order. However, the company failed to comply with the directions given by the SEBI. The above noted criminal complaint was thereupon filed by SEBI against company and 10 others, including the petitioner Raj Chawla, who was stated to be a director of the company and as such person in charge of and responsible to the company for conduct of its business. In support of his contention that he had resigned as a director of Miss Fair Deal Forest Limited with effect from 30th March 1997, the petitioner has placed on record the certified copy of Form 32 issued by Registrar of Companies. This document would show that the petitioner resigned as a director of Miss Fair Deal Forests Limited with effect from 13th March 1997, and intimation in this regard was given to Registrar of Companies on or before 14th January 1998. There is no good reason for not accepting an authentic public document such as certified copy of Form 32. This is not the case of the respondent, that the certified copy filed by the petitioner is a forged document. Hence, for the purpose of this petition, I proceed on the basis that the petitioner had actually resigned as a director of Miss Fair Deal Forest Limited on or before 14th January 1998, though his case is that he resigned with effect from 30th March 1997.